So today we are going to understand what is the aura. Aura क्या है? So aura is the electromagnetic field around our physical body, जिसको हम लोग आभा मंडल भी बोलते हैं हिंदी में, right? So in pranic healing, Master Choa Kok Sui says there are two bodies. हमारी दो bodies हैं. One is the visible physical body जो हमें दिखाई देती है, and the other one is the invisible body. Invisible body, which is the aura. Both the bodies are connected. So whatever happens in one, it affects the other. Some of you might say that you know aura, some of you might say you might not know aura. But well, today I am going to share certain things with you which will make you realize that all of us experience these energies. हम सब लोग ये aura और energies को experience करते हैं. Let us see how. The first example is about places. So there are various places. बहुत सारी ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आपको जाके बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You feel really good about the place. So it could be a beach, it could be other natural place, or it could be a temple, mosque or a church where we go and we enjoy so much, we enjoy the bliss so much that we feel like spending more time there. So if you have gone there for 15 minutes, you end up spending half an hour or maybe an hour and maybe beyond that. Well, that is the indication that these are good energies. On the other hand, there are certain places where we do not like. We do not like to go and sit in a hospital room. If somebody is admitted in an ICU, nobody wants to be there for a long time. Even if you go as a visitor, you just want to run away from that place. I'm sure most of us have experienced these two types of energies, the so-called good energies and the so-called, the negative energies or the bad energies, which are not suitable to us. Well, let's take a few more examples. We can take examples of these energies or aura of a person. Well, in our life, we definitely have a person or a family where we feel really good about. Where we go to that person, we meet, we sit, and we want to sit more. We want to spend more time, right? You plan to go and meet for 15 minutes, but then when you look at the watch, you realize it's been 2.5 hours and you still want to be at that place. I'm sure all of you have experienced this. I'm sure you have experienced the other emotion also, where you don't want to meet that person, you don't want to be in that company, where you go and you realize that you need to move. You plan to be there for 15 minutes, but this time within 5 minutes you start looking at your watch and you feel chalte hain, bahut ho gaya. So these are the indications, that we sense energies. Certain energies we like, certain energies we don't. Let us also look at two more dimensions. One dimension is about emotion. Well, if you have positive emotions in your aura and if you have negative emotions in your aura, do you think your behavior towards other people will change? The way you talk will change? The way you express your love and other emotion will change? Definitely yes. So when we have a lot of negative emotions in our aura, it affects our behavior and we become a different person altogether. At the same time, when we have positive emotions in our aura, our behavior and the outer expression of those emotions are definitely different. On the other hand, the fourth dimension is about thoughts. Well, we all know we can have positive thoughts, we can have negative thoughts. We can have less thoughts and we can have too many thoughts. We can have repetitive thoughts, something that keeps coming in the mind again and again. Do you think all these things affect your behavior, your actions, or even that determines your personality to some extent? Well, the answer can be yes. And that is the reason we need to control all of these. There are various tools through which we can control the energies of our own in our own aura, and at the same time we can influence the energies of people around us. Exciting? Yes, I know it sounds exciting. It also sounds like I am talking about some sort of miracle, something that happens only in the movies. But well, in pranic healing you have several tools, rather you have various tools which you can utilize to change the energies of your around your body. And when you change the energies, it changes everything. So if you want to experience that, come to Aakaar Pranic Healing Center. We will take you through an experience of changing of the aura. You can participate in a healing camp, you can participate in 1 week meditation challenge, or you can look for a full moon meditation. These are all opportunities for you through which you can experience the changes in your energy body. Thank you.